Today we have the 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This vehicle has done just under 77,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and hands-free calling. On our screen we can access our vehicle settings, smartphone integration, media, radio and navigation. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can get a good view of our panoramic roof and see that we have a full leather black interior.